Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Sunday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. What if King Wanda was making up the whole prophecy things about him leaving so that people can vote for him? One thing about the King Wanda, he's very smart. He will do anything just to convince people to vote for him. So guys, unfortunately, Uilano has to go. She was evicted today, guys. We wish her nothing the best. I didn't see this one coming, guys. I thought Uilano has a strong fan base compared to King Wanda until I saw these comments, guys. People are calling out Zifet Zakaliyema to stop voting for King Wanda so that King Wanda can leave. So this is the comment I saw. You guys voted for King Wanda. Well done. But I'm gonna need you, Liema's fans, to stop sharing votes. So guys, I'm asking myself what is going on, because if you look at bottom three, guys, we have Didi, we have King Wanda, and Ilano, guys. I'm surprised Tracy, she's not in bottom three. One thing about Bravo B's fans are doing the most, guys, because last week they were talking about sharing votes, Umeli and Tandeka sharing votes. Right now, Liema's fans, they're saying they're going to vote for Liema alone, guys. I'm very proud of Tracy. I didn't see this one coming. I thought of Tracy, she's leaving today, guys. Odidi, she needs to be very careful. Odidi, she needs to be very careful. Or next week she's leaving, guys. I see a lot of drama this week, especially from King Wanda and Tracy, guys. So guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.